Merkel cell carcinoma is a lethal skin cancer connected to the neuroendocrine system through nerve endings in the skin. It frequently spreads into the lymph nodes, then the lungs and the brain. Singer Jimmy Buffett recently passed away from this mysterious skin cancer that strikes very few, but is often fatal for those who do get it. Marty Salt has the details.
Fans of singer Jimmy Buffett were stunned last September by his sudden death. It was later revealed Buffett had actually been suffering for 4 years from a rare but aggressive form of skin cancer, Merkel cell carcinoma. It strikes just about 3,000 people a year.
If we see one a month, we would say that would be highly unlikely.
But when the diagnosis is Merkel cell, George Washington University's team takes immediate action.
So we take that because we know that Merkel cell tends to be more aggressive, and we want to make sure we get everything out so they can't spread elsewhere.
Merkel cell carcinoma can be caused by age or a weakened immune system, but is often triggered by sun exposure.
As patients get older and we have a lot more of a sun-worshipping culture, have those years of sun worshipping, and we know Jimmy Buffett was certainly a sun worshiper, that puts you at higher risk potentially for that.
If caught early, the 5-year survival rate is 75%. But if it spreads, that plunges to 24%. White males are most often stricken, and it has a tendency to return.
What's unusual is that patients can be treated for their Merkel cell and be doing okay, and then a few years later find out that it had spread to multiple different sites they just didn't know.
Marty Salt, 16 News Now.
And Dr. Patel reminds people, if you see a spot that you're concerned about on your skin, go ahead and get it checked out by a dermatologist. We'll be right back. Stay with us.